Dear chemistry enthusiast, today we're diving into the fascinating world of S-block elements. Let's explore some real-life applications and understand their importance. S-block elements play essential roles in everyday life. The most important real-life application of S-block elements is in medicine. For example, calcium is essential for bone and teeth formation, helping prevent osteoporosis and ensuring strong skeletal health. Calcium supplements and dairy products enriched with calcium are widely used for maintaining overall health. S-block elements are also used in various applications, from medicine and agriculture to aerospace and electronics, among many others. These concepts highlight the real-world applications, demonstrating their relevance in everyday life and various scientific fields. ICAD, where learning is simplified and excellence is celebrated.